Georgia has a very strong case against Trump. Yesterday, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis sent a letter to the Chief Judge of the Fulton County Superior Court requesting to empanel a special grand jury for the purpose of investigating the facts and circumstances relating directly or indirectly to possible attempts to disrupt the lawful administration of the 2020 elections in the state of Georgia. The request was triggered by the reluctance of key witnesses, including Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, to cooperate without being subpoenaed to testify. The special purpose grand jury wouldn't have the power to bring indictments, but it may make recommendations concerning criminal prosecution, as it shall see fit. With this letter, Willis brought back to the fore the actions surrounding the 2020 election contest by former President Donald Trump that are most suspect under both state and federal criminal law. The district attorney seeks a special grand jury with good reason, as Trump appears to have crossed a line into outright illegality, and that behavior merits a serious and thorough criminal investigation. Since last winter, the public has focused much of its attention on the violent right-wing terror attack on the Capitol on January 6. And this is understandable. But the truth is that the most compelling evidence of Trump's criminality lies in his actions before that day. And nowhere is his misconduct more clearly documented than in the state of Georgia. A brief refresher is in order. At 3 p.m. on Saturday, January 2, 2021, Trump called Raffensperger and attempted to push him to intervene in the counting of Georgia's presidential votes. "I have to find 12,000 votes," Trump said. Trump was joined on the call by his chief of staff, Mark Meadows, and a team of lawyers including Cleta Mitchell. At the beginning of the call, Trump declared, "I think it's pretty clear that we won. We won very substantially in Georgia." During the call, Trump made a series of spurious claims of voter fraud and announced that he had probably won by 500,000 votes. And then he said the following, words that should be front and center in any criminal investigation of the former president. "And you're going to find that they are, which is totally illegal. It is more illegal for you than it is for them, because you know what they did and you're not reporting it. That's a criminal offense. And you can't let that happen. That's a big risk to you and to Ryan, your lawyer. And that's a big risk I'm notifying you that you're letting it happen. So look. All I want to do is this. I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have because we won the state." Ominously, these rambling demands that Raffensperger change the outcome of the presidential election in Georgia contained the threatening assertion that if Raffensperger didn't yield, he could face criminal sanctions more severe than the sanctions for those Trump accused of casting illegal ballots. Trump, in a statement distributed by email yesterday, said that his call to Raffensperger was perfect, perhaps even more so than my call with the Ukrainian president, if that's possible, and repeated his false claim that massive voter fraud occurred in Georgia. As astonishing as the details of that phone call are, the call represents but one part of Trump's efforts to influence the outcome of the Georgia vote. The Senate Judiciary Committee's Majority Staff Report, released on October 7, found that Trump also forced the resignation of the U.S. Attorney for the Northern District of Georgia, Byung Jin Pak, after Pak investigated and did not substantiate Trump's claims of election fraud in Georgia. Indeed, that same report indicates that Trump's designs on changing the outcome of the election in Georgia played a key role in his repeated demands that the Department of Justice investigate and take action on a number of wholly false claims of electoral fraud and illegality. Georgia also figured prominently in a December 27, 2020, phone call with then acting Attorney General Jeffrey Rosen, during which Trump allegedly told Rosen, "Just say the election was corrupt and leave the rest to me and the Republican congressman." Jeffrey Clark, the former acting Assistant Attorney General for the Justice Department Civil Division, separately threatened Rosen's job if he didn't use the dodge to coerce Georgia and other states to certify a new slate of. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you keep receiving the latest news from United States News Channel. Bye bye.